My dream was to have an impact to the world. As an artist, it is my responsibility to keep creating new things and keep creating the things that I want to do.
Ever since I was grade 5, I wanted to have my own multimedia company. Sa ngayon, goals muna, which is mag-graduate as an artist and kailangan ko ding magtrabaho muna pansamantala.
I want to create something with my friends, and as of now, I realized na gusto ko mag-create ng game na makahabit sa mainstream na something different o something na mag-revolutionize kung ano yung meron nang naihain sa harap nila.
Yung mga rejection siguro ng mga prof, yun yung talagang mas masakit sa as an artist na kahit binigay mo na lahat ng kakayahan mo, tapos i-reject ka lang ng prof mo. Pero gusto mo pang may i-prove sa kanila na may kakayanan ako na surpass ka.
Sa simula, I was super hesitant to join Manil kasi hindi ko alam na kung makaka-fit in ba ako sa school na to. Kasi ang alam ko is like Manil is for the arts people. So I didn't know if I had like that type of talent, I guess.
Nung nalaman ko na may photo dito, yung photo, natuwa ako kasi naghanap talaga ako ng mga schools na may photography. Pero nakita ko na may filmmaking, may MMA, natuwa lalo ako. Pero gusto ko mag-shift lalo. Mag-shift ulit, mag-shift again.
I just expected it to be cultural and especially here in Disney. Maybe it's because it's an art school, that's why people are way more expressive here and I like it that way.
Yung facilities din kasi conducive for learning and yung equipments din, syllabus, and yung mga faculty talaga. Focus siya sa pinili kong course.
Siguro, as a person, isa sa mga pinakatakutan ko is embarrassment. Ayoko yung napapaya ako dahil lang dun sa gawa ko.
Sa traditional siguro, sa mga watercolors, dun ako mahinain. Pero yun yung nagiging talent sa akin para mas galingan ko. Kailangan ko mag-experience about this medium.
And sabi nga ng mga art professors ko is drawing is one of the most basic into making anything into the multimedia world.
Dati, as a graphic designer, naglalaro-laro lang ako. Pagpasok ko ng CSB, doon ko na-realize it's more than just being a graphic designer. Hindi alam ng mga tao na ang dami mong matutulungan, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin, and the possibilities are just endless. Na-in-love ako sa video production and web design. Doon lang pinatunayan na learning is forever. It will really keep you going. You have to keep moving forward and learn new things.
My name is Daniel Luis P. Dizon.
I'm Jorina Tangeli Peralta.
Ako nga pala si Berlin Pilicia.
My name is Isabel.
Hi, I'm Tessa Martinez.
Earl State R. Lamundino.
My name is Rafael Martinez USA. I graduated in the College of St. Bernard with the course AB Multimedia Arts. And now I'm currently working as a front-end graphic designer.